Hey friends, welcome back to Mobitron. In this video, we are going to talk about an affordable smartwatch which is Amazfit BPU, and the link to purchase this watch is given in video description. So let's get started. The box comes in this simple and beautiful packaging. On front, there is company name and watch model written on it, which is Amazfit BPU by Amazfit. And on the sides, there are some key features about this watch. But we will discuss it in details in about a minute or so. So let's first open the box. As we open the box, we can see three different compartments. In the bottom one, we have our watch, and on the upper compartment, there is a USB charging cable without the power pack. And in the last box, there is a user manual, which I don't think anybody ever reads. Now let's head on to the overview of this watch. So the weight of this watch is 31 gram, and the display is 1.43 inches color screen for calls, message and other notifications. Now on the side, there is only one button from where you can access different features. And on the back, there are some sensors for heart rate measurement and SpO2 measurement. Now let's get further on to the features. This watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. It has Bluetooth 5.0 for better connectivity, and there are 50 plus watch faces and many of them are customizable. Then for the fitness, this watch has 60 plus sports modes with high precision GPS. This watch also has strap and sleep quality monitoring, which helps to improve your mental abilities. The inbuilt Pomodoro clock helps you to stay focused and concentrated while you are working. Then there is a music controller app from which you can control the music of your phone, and then remote phone camera controller, which is very useful when you want to take your own pictures while you are alone. There is a Find My Phone app which can track your phone's location when it's lost. And for many of these features, there are so many sensors working parallelly, which are BioTrackers, 2 PPG biological optical sensor, 1 acceleration sensor and 1 gyroscope sensor. So, should you buy this 4000 rupees Amazfit BPU? And the answer is not same for everyone. Like, if you want to buy a smartwatch under 5000 rupees, then this comes in this range. But at the same time, the only thing which I didn't like about this watch is its size. Because if you have smaller wrist, then this looks perfect. But if you have bigger wrist, then this will look way smaller comparatively. So, that's all about Amazfit BPU. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.